subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo to TV, Kipetro Premiership, Orlando Pirates 2, Sikukune 0. I'm joined by the Zulu boy.
Stibo Bram, ngicabanga ukuthi igame ihambe kahle yePirates. iPirates iyadlala ne? Kodwa akuyona le Pirates engiyisabayo kakhulu. You know why? Baleka into eyi-1 yabona ukuhamba kwaTito mfowethu wenza ukuthi iPirates ingakwazi ukudlala kahle penetrate through the middle. You know what happened? Isikhuko into esenzile ne sivale isenta sabenza ukuthi baphume outside. Into yabasize kakhulu namhlanje ukuthi bebedlalela ekhaya and that is why they're able to beat isikhukhuni. But le Pirates le will never ever take i-champions or i-league this season. I'm telling you. They'll never. Let me tell you something. One thing that I must tell you. Khona umdlalo wabo labamthenga labathi uHaaland ne. Uhamba kanje unemlenze engathi ibheke eceleni. That is not a player. Lo muntu lo ubakha izindlu le lapho esuka khona uyabona.